once more to Mathematics Pro. So today we are going to solve a linear equation that involves words problem. So our first question, so Jane age is 2 times that of Mark. So let's write, we have Jane and we have Mark. So we have Jane's age is 2 times that of Mark. So let's say Mark is X because we don't know his age. So Jane age is 2 times, so we twice. So we are going to have 2x. So at present, so this is it at present. Okay, so let's continue. 2 years ago, so if we are talking about 2 years ago, for example, if you're 20 years old now, 2 years ago you were 18, so we need to subtract. So we write this 2x, we have x. So 2 years ago we need to subtract -2. We need to subtract 2 years from Jane and also 2 from Mike. So 2 years ago, Jane's age was 3 times that of Mark. Jane's age was equal to 3 times. So Jane's age was equal to 3 times that of Mark. Again, 2 years ago, Jane's age was 3 times that of Mark. So Jane's age was equal to 3 times that of Mark. So now let's get x. So if we want to solve for x, we have 2x minus 2 should be equals to, if we open the bracket, we are going to have 3x, and this will give us -6. Next, we need to bring like terms together. So here we have 3x. Here is 2x is plus. When it crosses, it becomes -2x. And we have -2. This is -2. When it crosses the equal sign, it becomes +6. So this -6. When it crosses, it becomes +6. So -2 plus 6 is equals to 4. Then we have 3x minus 2x will give us x. So this implies x is equals to 4. So how old are they at present? So at present, so this is our focus for at present. So this means x is equals to 4. It means Mark is 4 years old. And Jane is 2x, so x is 4, 2x will give us 8, so Jane is 8 years old. Okay, that's it. Let's go to the next question. At present, John's age is twice that of Marvin. So here we have John and also we have Marvin. So at present, John's age is twice that of Marvin. So Marvin will be x and John age will be equal to 2x because it's twice. Okay, so next we have 7 years ago. So 7 years ago we do the same. So we are going to have 2x minus 7 and here is x minus 7. Now 7 years ago, the sum, so sum just means plus, the sum of their age was 16. So the sum of their age became 16. So the sum, so sum is plus, the sum of their age is equals to 16. So how old are they at present? So let's solve for x. So if we want to simplify this, we bring like terms together. We have 2x plus x. This will give us 3x. Next we have -7 minus 7. This is -14 should be equals to 16. This implies 3x. This is minus. When it crosses, it becomes plus. So we are going to have 16 plus 14. Now 16 plus 14 is 30. So we are going to have 3x will be equals to 30. Ask yourself 3 times which number is 30. It means 10. This implies x is 30 divided by 3, which is equals to 10. So x is 10. Now we go back to our question at present. So this was at present. Here, at present, Marvin is x. So Marvin is 10 years old. So Marvin is 10 years old. and John will be equals to 20 years old. So that's it. So thanks for watching. Please to encourage me to subscribe.